everybody. This is Johnson NYC Bound on YouTube. I know you guys have never seen me do any updates or anything, so I decided, you know what? Guess what? Do a cooking show. Well, today I'll be making two chicken tenderloins with the Gourmia air fryer, and I will show you what ingredients I have in front of me. Okay, black pepper, lemon pepper, soy sauce, of course, salt, and garlic salt. Oops, garlic salt. And I also have the pan right in front of me, and I have the two chicken loins, and that's slippery right here. So, and anyways, since today is Monday, and I decided, you know what? Why not do a cooking show? So right now I'm just gonna be cutting. I should have had it done last night, but I forgot. But anyways, I hope everyone had a great weekend, and I hope everyone had a good St. Patrick's Day party with friends or family, or friends, you know, parents, friends, or family. But hope everyone had a good one. And I will also post my social media. I do have my social media gonna be posted down the description and stuff. But this is my own type of recipe that I don't ever tell, because it's a homemade recipe that no one, maybe people know how to make or people don't know, because I don't want nobody to know. So, and let's see what else to say. Well, I was gonna live stream on YouTube while doing this, but I was like, I felt so uncomfortable, so why not do on just a regular way of recording? So I'm not gonna show you what I'm doing, but I could. But you don't have to make it too big, but if you want to, you can. Depends on how you wanna put in the air fry. So, oops, I'm cutting too small, but well. But anyways, when I'm done cutting and slicing and everything, okay, I'm not gonna. But anyways, put the fry. And I'm also trying to make advertisements for LinkedIn, not just for myself, but I'm trying to make money for myself, so I don't, either I could work at home or work at home or working outside of the house. So depends on what I want to do. And I'm not just gonna be talking about cooking, but I also will be talking about other stuff about myself while doing this. And so, and I think I've done a cooking show. I forgot what year, but just want to describe who I am and what I am about. I am a streamer on live.me, if you guys know what that app is. It's like, in an app you can make friends. I'm not gonna say about anything about dating, but you can, that app is about making, you can make money out of that app and so on and so forth. But so far I made a lot of money on that app, which I have not discriminate cashing out with, you know. And so yeah, what else should I say? Alright, let's see. What have I done in the past is that, I'm not gonna say my school life, but anyways, but my school life about in high school was the best, but not the best because I'm not gonna say much. But the high school I go to was pretty nice people. I met nice friends, nice teachers, and so on. And not only that, I almost got detention, almost did in high school, but I never get detention because I had my phone out, which I didn't like about. The teacher that I was with only for 1 year only, just a year. In that one school I've been to, I'm not gonna say what school, but I'll just say I've been to this school, and then I've been to this school for 5 years just about, and I've never gotten into detention. I almost did, like as an ISS, which means like you have to eat with these students and blah blah blah. Good thing I didn't, so, which I didn't discriminate to talk about it. So, which that was my 5th year being in high school. I didn't feel bad, it's just that I was in a high school program in the school that a teacher my mom wanted me to be in, but I didn't want to, but mom wanted me to, so I'm like, okay, whatever. But the good thing is about, what's it called, one day community day outside in public, then we get 3 days of job site from, I forgot, was it Monday, Tuesday? No, from Wednesday, Thursday till Friday. But sometimes from Wednesday, Thursday until Friday, that's when we have our job site from my high school. It's a program where we learn how to do this, do that by ourselves. When we go to college, when you live on your own, stuff like that. So that's what I learned how to do, but which I actually learned how to do in elementary school. But I didn't need to learn how to do in high school, which I knew how to clean, how to wash, and how to take care of, or stuff like that. Sorry. And what is it called? I forgot that. But sorry, guys, give me a second. I'm trying to get. But yeah, in high school. Now that was when I was in elementary school. I learned how to do everything. How to wash the table, sweep the floors. But I wasn't the best at sweeping when I was at elementary school, which I kind of suck at. So totally. But when in high school, good thing I didn't have to do much about it. With sweeping the floor, wash the tables, or do or any of that. Which I kind of did in freshman year, was to wash the tables and clean off the people's mess of their breakfast and stuff. So that was my freshman year of high school, which I kind of miss doing, but it was alright. Alright, so anyways, I'm gonna get off of that the topic. So alright, so since you see guys, I know it's tiny, but which I should. Oh well. So after that, I'm gonna. Hey guys, so cooking's so annoying, but cooking's annoying but disturbing. So anyways, so now I'm gonna use all the spices I need in front of me. So first will be, so it doesn't matter it doesn't matter, the sauces doesn't matter what it goes first. Okay, salt, maybe another, a 1.5, one and a half. Alright, salt, pepper. Don't use a whole lot. Alright, that's pepper. Now the lemon pepper. Sorry. Well, I'm gonna show you after I'm done spicing all this ingredients. But I'm not gonna say. Alright, that's done. Sorry guys, checking something. You guys are good. Then soy sauce. Don't use a whole lot. Just one. Alright, that's done. And then now the garlic salt. And after I'm doing, add a little bit, not too much. But after that, I'm gonna, hold on. Stupid. I have to keep alright, good enough. Alright, now, okay, so I'm gonna show you, that's as much as it is. Now I'm gonna use my hand to you know what I mean. Mix it up with your hands for at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes. No, 10 minutes or 5 minutes or so. And after all the sauces, the spices, right, goes through, I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. I'm about to show you after I'm done mixing. Oops. Kind of done. Just checking. So after this, make sure I have the, okay, good. So I want to make sure I have the black flying pan and that thing in there so that it doesn't burn. So It's gonna look good after. So, like I said, my social media will be posted down below with my Facebook, Instagram, Facebook, maybe Snapchat, I don't know, Pinterest maybe, I don't know yet, but if not, I'll let and that's pretty much it. After I'm done, I'm gonna end this recording, so I can, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after it's, not done. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's done cooking. So, sorry guys, I'm trying to alright guys, sorry. And look, here you guys go. I know this looks bad, the angle, but yeah, here you guys go. Well, like I said, when it's done, I will do part 2 of this video. So I'll see you guys in maybe 5 or 10, maybe 15 minutes after this is done cooking. So, all right, peace. All right, guys, I'm back, and yeah, like I said, I was taking a 10-minute break after putting this in the air fryer. When it's done, it looks pretty good and decent, not too bad, not too shabby. And here you guys, sorry about that. I know that's no successful, but that's the air fryer looks like when it's done. So, anyways, like I said, don't forget to like, favorite.